Hello everyone, welcome back to your online class. So without wasting time, we will continue our chapter or the lesson. We were doing chapter number 7, that is from the window, and this is the continuing lesson. Okay, this is the continuation of the same chapter, and I told you that whatever we are doing, we are doing that. Whatever Omana wrote in her diary for Radha, we are talking about that. And in previous class also, I told you that we were talking about 7th May only, second day. Okay, and today also we will be talking about the same day. So I will read out for you. Now it is afternoon. Okay, so this it is 12:15. You can see in the clock. Okay, you can see there that the time is 12:15. That means it is afternoon. For lunch we had idli vada that we bought from Udip station. So it is afternoon, so we all know that in afternoon what we do, we eat. If we eat some meals, that means that is lunch, no? So for lunch, what did Omana and her family or her parents ate? They ate idli vada, and they bought that from idli vada from Udupi station. We also bought some bananas. So along with that idli vada, they bought some bananas also from Udupi station only. These were very small and very tasty, and the bananas which they bought, those were very small. Okay, small in size, but they were very tasty. The scene outside has changed again. So outside the train, whatever she is seeing now, what she finds is that all the scenes are changed now. Okay, again changed. Now we can see many coconut trees and green fields everywhere. So I told you in the previous period that when she looked outside, she saw green area everywhere, green hilly mountains covered with trees. And now the scene is changed, and you can see that it is written that whatever she saw outside was just coconut trees and green fields everywhere. Okay, Amma says that these are paddy fields. When she looked outside, she saw coconut trees and the green fields, and those green fields were paddy fields. Her mother told to Omana that those green fields are paddy fields. The houses and villages look very different. So as compared to Ahmedabad, the houses and the villages looked very different. That means it was totally different. Okay. People's clothes are also different from what we see in Ahmedabad. So which clothes they wear in Ahmedabad, here in that place, all the clothes whichever the people were wearing, those were also different as compared to Ahmedabad. Most people were wearing white or cream colored dhotis and saris. So what she saw, what type of dress they were wearing? They were wearing white or cream colored dhotis. Okay, dhotis they were wearing, and saris. Okay, they were wearing. Many people who were with us from Ahmedabad have got off. So whoever got into the train with Omanas from Ahmedabad, all the people who got into the train from Ahmedabad along with Omanas, they all got down. Okay, got down means they got off from the train. People have also got on to the train from different stations. So from different stations on their way, they met different stations. So from there, some people or many people got into the train, and some people from Ahmedabad who got into the train with Omana, they already got down. Okay, Sunil's family is getting off at Kozhikode. So Sunil's family means her friend, okay, which she met. So Sunil's family were getting off at Kozhikode. That means they were getting off at Kozhikode place, okay, which comes at around 6 o'clock. So it is 12:15. So Sunil families, that means they are getting off at Kozhikode, and that Kozhikode was about the place which will come around 6 o'clock. Okay, that means it will take more hours. Okay, we have exchanged addresses and plan to meet in Ahmedabad. So Sunil families and Omana's families, they both exchanged their addresses. Okay, that means the place where they live. Okay, and their whatever they will do and how they will meet in Ahmedabad, they all shared or exchanged their addresses and plans. You will also like Sunil and Anne. That means Omana is saying that she is writing that Radha will also like Sunil and Anne. Okay. So here are some questions. Which languages do you speak at home? Which language? You usually hear you speak in Hindi. So you have to write Hindi. On the way from Gujarat to Kerala, Omana's train went through several states of country. Find out and list which states it crossed. The train, okay, in which Omana were there, Omana's family were there, you have to find out. While coming from Gujarat to Kerala, Omana's train, the train in which Omana were traveling, they crossed many states. Okay, so you have to find out the states and write its name. Did you ever have coconut water? Have you, like, if you have coconut water, then you have to write yes. And how do you find it? How was the taste? How was your experience or the thing? Okay, you have to write, discuss. You have to discuss with your friends also. Draw a coconut tree and discuss in the class about it. So you, in the last question, you can see that you have to draw the coconut tree and you have to discuss about that coconut tree among your friends. Okay. So in page number 59, you can see, find out in which state this language are spoken. So you can see the languages given: Malayalam, Konkani, Marathi, Gujarati, Kannada. So here are some languages given. What you have to do is, in which state, okay, these languages are spoken, you have to write the names here. So we will go to this paragraph and you can see the time, and it is 9:30. Okay. So now it is night. So 9:30 means that is PM. Okay. So you can see that it is night. Okay. Now we will talk about what happened with Omana at night. We have also started packing up. So it is already night. So they are packing up their things to get off from the train. The train will reach Kottayam in about 3 hours. So they will be getting off at Kottayam, and to reach Kottayam it will take 3 hours. Okay, so that is where we have to get off. Okay, so that is the place where Omana and her family will get off. Tonight we will go to Valiamma's house. So today, that same night they were going to Valiamma's house. So Valiamma's house, in that house they will be staying. In Valiamma's house they will be staying. Tomorrow we will take the bus that will take us to Ammuamma's village. So tomorrow morning, tonight they will stay at Valiamma's house, and tomorrow morning they will take bus from Valiamma's house to Ammuamma's village. We are all quite tired. We all are quite tired. That means they are very tired, okay, because they were traveling from their place and it is already 2 days. Okay, they are traveling from 2 days. After all, we have been on the train for 2 days. So that means they are inside the train for 2 days. What a long journey it has been. So it is obviously a long journey because it is already 2 days. We had a lot of fun. So inside the train also, while traveling, Omana and their family had lots of fun. I will put my diary away now. I will write again after we reach Ammuamma's house. So she has written that now she will close the diary and she will not write now. She will only write in her diary after she reach Amma's house. Okay, that means she will not write in Wali Amma's house also. She will write again after she reach Amma's house. Okay, so here are some questions given. What do you call them? So what do you call your mother's sister? You will call Mausi. Your mother's Nani. You will call your mother's mother Nani. So your father's sister Bua. Your father's mother Dadi. Okay, you have to write in this way.